Hello, space explorers. Welcome back to Discover with Momina. Today, we're diving into an amazing celestial event that leaves us in awe: eclipses. But did you know there are two main types, solar eclipses and lunar eclipses? Let's explore what they are and how they're different. What is an eclipse? An eclipse happens when one celestial body, like the Earth or the Moon, moves into the shadow of another. This can create incredible visuals in the sky. Solar eclipse. Let's start with the solar eclipse. A solar eclipse happens when the moon passes between the sun and Earth, blocking the sun's light. It can only occur during a new moon, when the moon is directly aligned with the sun. Types of solar eclipses. Total eclipse. The sun is completely covered by the moon and it looks like nighttime during the day. Partial eclipse. Only part of the sun is covered. Annular eclipse. The moon covers the center of the sun, leaving a bright ring of fire around the edges. Now let's talk about the lunar eclipse. A lunar eclipse happens when the Earth comes between the sun and the moon, casting its shadow on the moon. It can only occur during a full moon. Total eclipse. The entire moon is in Earth's shadow and often turns a reddish color, called a blood moon. Partial eclipse. Only part of the moon enters the shadow. Penumbral eclipse. The moon passes through the outer part of Earth's shadow, causing a slight dimming. Which body is blocked? Solar eclipse. The moon blocks the sun. Lunar eclipse. The Earth blocks sunlight from reaching the moon. Visibility. Solar eclipse. Only visible in specific places on Earth. Lunar eclipse. Visible from anywhere on the night side of Earth. When it happens, solar eclipse. Only during a new moon. Lunar eclipse. Only during a full moon. Safety tip. Never look directly at a solar eclipse without special eclipse glasses. It can harm your eyes. A lunar eclipse, however, is safe to watch with the naked eye. Eclipses are a spectacular reminder of how beautifully everything in our solar system is aligned. Have you ever seen a solar or lunar eclipse? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching Discover with Momina. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more exciting space stories. See you next time!